Hello everyone. We are here to complete the solution chapter numericals. As up to the lecture 7, we have completed the theoretical part and the little bit numericals regarding the chapter solutions. So in lecture 8, we will discuss about the numericals based on the colligative properties. So as you know well, the colligative properties are the properties which are dependent on the amount of the solute and not on the nature. So the 4 colligative properties you have done till today. That is the relative lowering of vapor pressure, which is Pa naught minus Pa upon with Pa naught, which is equal to Xb, which is the mole fraction of the solute. And if we are simplifying the Xb, we are getting the final formula for the numerical, that is like this. So the second, you have done the elevation in boiling point, which is delta Tb is equal to Kb into m, that we have discussed in the lecture 6 or 5. Now the third one is the delta Tf is equal to Kf into m, that we have done in the lecture 7, and the last is pi is equal to CRT. So these are the formulas that you have to be learn about the colligative properties. So see one by one how can we apply these formulas for the numericals. Now see the numerical one, that is 45 gram of ethyl alcohol. As I have told you, you have to read the question and write down the data given first. Don't read the whole numerical in once. 45 gram of ethylene glycol. So first of all, you have to be write down this is what? It is WB, because ethylene glycol is solute here. Ethylene glycol solute. So WB is 45 gram, and you have to calculate the molar mass of the ethylene glycol. जब आप निकालेंगे, it should be comes out to be 62 grams per mole. ये आपका molecular mass आ जाएगा ethylene glycol का. Mixed with 600 gram of water means it is WA. Okay, and water which has the molar mass that is equal to 18 grams per mole. तो इन दो लाइन से हमें ये डाटा हमें मिला है. अब देखते हैं कि हमें निकालना क्या है. That is calculate the freezing point depression. Freezing point depression का क्या मतलब है कि we have to find out the delta TF. Freezing point depression का मतलब है हमें delta TF find out करना है. And the second one is the freezing point of the solution. That means you have to find out the TF. So delta TF and TF, these two are the quantities which we have to be find out. So let us see how can we apply the formula. So we will apply this formula. Delta TF is equal to Kf into m. The value of Kf is given to you. That is 1.86 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Kf की value आपको given है. Means you have to find out the molality. So how can you find out the molality? That is the molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by क्या होता है? WA in kilogram होता है. But if it is in grams, so we have to write down the 1000 here. So this is the formula for calculation of molality. You can be calculate the molality first and then apply in the formula delta TF is equal to Kf into m, or you can directly put the values. This is WB upon MB into WA into 1000. Now see from our data, WB is 45 gram and 60 आपका MB is 62 gram, WA is 600 gram multiplied by 1000. So the molality by this formula will comes out to be 1.2 moles per kilogram. जो molality आएगी, the molality will comes out to be 1.2 moles per gram. ये molality आ गया. Then we have to be multiply delta TF निकालने के लिए Kf into m. तो Kf की वैल्यू हमें ये दी हुई है. तो delta TF is equal to 1.86 into 1.2, and the answer will comes out to be 2.2 Kelvin. So we have find out delta TF. Now recall the formula. कि how will you calculate the delta TF? That will be TF naught minus TF. So what is TF naught? Freezing point of क्या होता है water का? What is the freezing point of water? The water का जो freezing point है आपका, that will be 273.15 Kelvin. That will be the TF naught for water. That is 0 degree Celsius. तो 0 degree Celsius में जब आप add करेंगे 273.15, तो डिग्री सेल्सियस विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू केल्विन. तो यहाँ से जो आपके वैल्यू आ गई Now you want to be calculate the TF. So what is TF comes out to be? TF comes out to be del TF naught minus delta TF. So what is delta? TF naught 273.15 minus what is delta TF? 2.2. Yeah, 2.2 Kelvin. So what is the answer comes out to be? 270.95 Kelvin. So this is the second quantity, that is TF, and this is the first quantity delta TF 2.2. So it's a very simple, only the calculation part is there, otherwise the numerical is very simple. Now see the second numerical. Read the question carefully. The boiling point of benzene is 353.23. First of all, what is that? The boiling point of the benzene. That means it is TB naught, because benzene is A here. ये solvent है. तो आपका A आपका जो solvent है उसका TB naught, that is 353.23 Kelvin. So ये आपका हो गया TB naught. Then 1.80 non-volatile solute, that means it is WB, dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, that means it is WA. The boiling point is raised to, तो ये क्या दिया हुआ है आपको? Boiling point raised to, that means it is TB. TB, boiling point of the solution raised to. अगर हमने बेंजीन में इतने ग्राम बेंजीन में we are adding 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute, then the boiling point of the solution will become this. So that will be TB. So calculate the molar mass of the solute, and Kb is given to you. The molar mass of the solute you will find out. So how here you can easily understood that we have to use the formula Kb into M, and the Kb is given to you. मोलालिटी को अगर आप इसको ओपन करेंगे, सेम, दैट इज WB अपॉन MB into WA multiply by 1000 and the delta TB. So how will you find out the delta TB? That is delta TB is equal to elevation in boiling point है, तो TB minus TB naught. So what is delta TB? TB is 354.11 and 353.23. And when you will take the minus, इन दोनों को minus करेंगे, you will get 0.88 Kelvin. 0.88 Kelvin. ये value आ गई. Rest of the part you have to substitute in this formula and you will get the answer 58 grams per mole. It's a very simple question and you can find out the answer very easily. Now we will see the numerical third. In this numerical, we will see 1 gram of non-electrolyte solute. That means it is WB. 1 gram of non-electrolyte solute dissolved in 50 gram of benzene. That means it is WA. Lower the freezing point of the benzene. What is that given? It is lowering of depression and freezing point. That is delta TF. ये आपको delta TF is given to you. So first of all, we have to find out the data. कि what is given in the formula? What is given in the question? Lowers the freezing point of the benzene. Benzene का freezing point 0.40 Kelvin lowers हो जाता है. That means it is given delta TF. And the freezing point depression constant, this is value is KF. And find out the molar mass. So you have to find out the molar mass of the solute. So again, you have to apply the formula. So that is, what is the formula you have to apply? Delta TF is equal to KF into M. And delta TF is given to you, and rest of the part, जब आप इसमें substitute करेंगे, you will get the answer 256 grams per mole. 256 grams per mole. The most important thing is the calculation part and the substitution part is not so much difficult. But first of all, you have to find out actually what is given in the numerical portion. Now see the next numerical. It is the vapor pressure. Read the question carefully first. Vapor pressure of pure water at 298 Kelvin is 23.8 mm of Hg. Vapor pressure of pure water. What is that? This is PA naught. पहले data बनाएंगे तो we will find out कि which colligative property we can use here. 50 gram of urea, that is WB, is dissolved in 850 gram of water, that is WA. Calculate the vapor pressure of water for the solution. That means we have to find out the value of PA and its relative lowering. That means PA naught minus PA upon PA naught. We have to find out these two values. ये हमने निकालना है और ये हमने निकालना है. From the data, you can easily understood the formula which we have to use is the first colligative property, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure. PA naught minus PA divided by PA naught, which is equal to mole fraction of the solute. And here the solute is urea. The formula of the urea is NH2CONH2. This is the formula of urea. And if you find out the urea molar mass of the urea, that will be 60 grams. 60 grams per mole. ये आपका आ जाएगा यूरिया का, that is MB. And MA, you know what is that? It is water, so it is 18. So first of all you have to find out. अब आपको क्या क्या निकालना है? XB आपको निकालना है. So first of all you have to find out कि NB upon NA plus NB. So separately you have to find out NB, that is NB, that is WB upon MB, which is, what is that? It is 50 upon 60 and it is roundabout comes out to be 0.833. ये आपके number of moles आ जाएंगे NB के. Then you have to find out for NA, that is 850 upon 18 and which is comes out to be 47.2 roundabout. And when you are applying these values in XB, then the XB is comes out to be 0.0173. जब आप calculate करेंगे तो XB values comes out to be like this. So you can easily understood कि if XB is comes out to be like this, then it is 0.0173. That means relative lowering of vapor pressure you have find out. आपने relative lowering of vapor pressure यहाँ पर निकाल लिया. Then you can calculate the value of PA. Now you want to be calculate the value of PA. So PA, how will you calculate? तो इस फॉर्मूला के अंदर आप PA नॉट की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए and the PA naught is 23.8. So whenever you will substitute these values, that is 23.8 minus PA divided by 23.8, which is equal to 0.0173. Then the PA value will comes out to be 23.39. So these values mm of Hg, जो उनके unit रहेगी, that is mm of Hg. So here, और इसकी कोई यूनिट नहीं होगी relative lowering of vapor pressure की. So you have find out both the values, that is the vapor pressure of the water for the solution and the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now see the next one. Boiling point of water at 750 mm of Hg. That is value, ये water का आपको दिया हुआ है तो PA naught is given to you. 99.69630 degree Celsius. So that is the boiling point of water. Okay. तो यहाँ पर how much sucrose is added to 500 gram of water. That means WA is given to you 500 gram and MA is comes out to be what? 18 gram. Sucrose is added to the water such that sucrose is C12H22O11. That is sucrose. तो sucrose के अंदर आपका ये आपका हो गया and the molar mass of the sucrose is 342 grams per mole. जब आप इसको निकालेंगे तो MB आपका ये निकल आएगा. Okay. How much sucrose? That means you have to find out WB. यहाँ पर आपका WB missing है such that it boils at 100 degree Celsius. So now you can easily understand that delta TB will comes out to be 100 minus 99.63. 99.63. जब आप इसको माइनस करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 0.37 डिग्री. तो ये आपका डेल्टा टीबी आ गया. MB आपका ये है, WA आपका ये है, MA आपका ये है and you want to be calculate the WB. The here the value of KB is not given. 2.10 में आपको KB की वैल्यू मिसिंग है. So you may use the value of KB here 0.522 Kelvin kilogram per mole. KB for the question number example number 10. So ये वैल्यू आपने यूज करनी है KB की. So when you will apply in the equation, that is delta TB is equal to KB into M. So KB into आपका what is M? It is NB upon में WA into 1000. Okay. जब आप NB को खोलेंगे तो KB into WB upon MB into WA multiply by 1000. So everything is provided to you. Everything is given here. You have to substitute all the values and the WB जो आपको value निकालनी है. So WB will comes out to be 121.7 grams. So this is the answer for this question number 10. Now see the question number 11. Calculate the mass of ascorbic acid. That means here you have to be calculate. Question number 11. Here you have to calculate WB. ये आपको calculate करना है. In 70 gram of acetic acid. 70 gram of acetic acid means WA is given to you 75 gram. Lowers its melting point. That means delta TF lowering. कम हो रहा है. Lowering off. That is 1.5 degrees Celsius. And the value of KF is given to you. Now you can find out the molar mass of this vitamin C, C6H8O6. इसका molar mass निकाल लीजिए. And the molar mass जब आप निकालेंगे, that will comes out to be 176 grams per mole. जो vitamin C का molar mass आएगा, vitamin C का molar mass आएगा, that is 176 grams per mole. So you can apply the formulas, that is delta TF is equal to KF into M. Then the answer will comes out to be 5.08 grams. That will be the answer of question number 11. Now see the question 12. It is the last question for this lecture. Calculate the osmotic pressure in Pascal. You have to be find out. Question number 12. You have to find out the pi. आपको इसमें pi की value calculate करनी है. So when you will calculate the value of pi, so osmotic pressure, pi आपको निकालना है. Exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer. That means WB is given to you 1 gram. Molar mass, that is MB, which is 185 into 10 to the power 3. And the volume in milliliters is given, that is 450 ml. And the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. तो ये आपका क्वेश्चन है जिसकी हमने डाटा यहाँ पर लिखा. So 37 degree Celsius में 273 आप ऐड करेंगे, then you will find out 273. So that will be converted into 310 Kelvin. Kelvin के अंदर टेम्परेचर आपने इसको चेंज करेंगे पहले. Now you know well कि the formula of pi is equal to CRT, where C is the molarity. So molarity is number of moles of the solute, volume of the solution in liters. Otherwise, we have to multiply by 1000 into R into T. Okay. Now, you want to be calculate the pi. So, that will be WB upon MB into volume into R into T into 1000. So, R here you have to take 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 in Pascal. That is Pascal liter per mole per Kelvin. That will be the value of R जो आपको एग्जाम में दी होगी. Temperature is 310. WB is given to you. MB is given to you. Volume is given to you. You have to substitute all the values and the answer will comes out to be 30.96 Pascal. So here in lecture 8, we have completed all the numericals related to the